Do you know the strongman of the railway?
Yes, I'm the strongman. I am the real strongman. I look like a crab.
A rail bender can provide a 550 kN bending force, equivalent to 50 cars, have locomotive, 2 planes for Boeing 737. We use hydraulic pressure to generate a lot of force. YZG 550 double hook rail bender is the handle hydraulic device. Special used for 43 to 75 GG per meter rail or switch horizontal bending operation. It welded by special steel, has features of high bending force, stable working capacity, compact structure, lightweight and taking apart easily.